Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Maybe it wasn't quite like that, but it felt like it. One thing's for sure, we're...
Don't worry about it, kid. The least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
Something great's going on! What is it that's going on? Well...
Oh yeah, you want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder! Kazinga! Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Un momento. Esos no son faros. Son tubos de escape. Let's go, please. Hay que ir recto. ¡Ya es suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
Take my way, that's the highway,
Well, sure you can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night?
All night.
Rocket jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons.
You didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello.
Right this way.
Doggone it, this is about my hook, ain't it? I know I should have checked it.
make such a nice new road. You come to my shop. Luigi take a good care of you, even though...
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
About to begin. All spectators, clear the starting line.
So, Mater, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
Points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
Get on me.
I'll say.
Hey!
I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Not the only one seeing this, right?
Incoming!
Morgen racewagen, morgen takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
Zeg.
There you go, informant. Inform us.
Berk, that is the worst motor ever made.
This is the difference between you and Francesco. Francesco knows how good he is. He does not need to surround himself.